Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today's focus is to show you how you can simply share just one Google Sheets tab or sheet with someone else. And I'm going to cover two methods today. And today I'll be demonstrating from my Sheetify CRM, which is an all-in-one Google Sheets bookkeeping template built for small businesses. If you're interested in learning more about this, I'll add the relevant tutorials and resources down below in the description. All right, let's dive into the first method. Let's say that you simply want to share just one sheet, this view, with someone else. This could be an external customer or a team member. If we navigate up to the URL, you'll see the file URL here, as well as the specific sheet ID. Again, if we jump into any other sheet and then navigate up to the URL, you can see the ID is slightly different. So if I navigate back over to Customer Snapshot, and let's say I want to share this tab directly with a team member who has questions about our customers, then what I would do is navigate up here, simply copy the URL, and then share that directly with the individual. For example, let's open a new tab and paste in the URL. And as you can see, this link that I pasted is going to take the user to this exact sheet. Now bear in mind, you're also sharing the entire spreadsheet. So the user you shared this tab with can also access other sheets within this file. So this takes us to the second method, which is the process of sharing just one Google Sheets tab from your entire file. For example, let's navigate over to Client Tasks, and maybe I want to share this sheet, this tab, with a specific employee. All I need to do is click on the drop down for this tab and navigate up to Copy To, and then click on New Spreadsheet. This process requires us to duplicate this Google Sheets tab into a new spreadsheet. So go ahead and click on Open Spreadsheet. And you can see this is a new spreadsheet. We can rename this, for example, Client Tasks. And you can see that this sheet only has one tab. And to share this with someone, simply navigate up to Share, then change the access. I'm going to select anyone with the link and then View Only. And then all I would do is copy the link and share this with my team members. I can also add people up here. And that is how you can share just one tab with an individual inside your organization or externally. Now the issue with this method is it's not connected to the original sheet. So if a user makes a change here, also on the original version, if you make changes here, the user of this sheet will not see those changes. However, if you want all updates, all changes on the original version to also reflect on this duplicated sheet, all you need to do is import range. If you're interested in learning how to connect sheets and use the import range function, I will link that tutorial down below in the description. However, that is two methods that you can use to share one Google Sheets tab or sheet with someone else. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.